Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Hafsa Omar from Maths Online Coaching. Today we are going to solve a question paper of Pearson Edexcel International A-Level Mathematics. Pure Mathematics 1, January 2026 with paper code WMA1101. Question number 3, part 1. Find the range of values of z for which 4 by z is less than 8, giving the answer in simplest form. Here we have to find the values of z which satisfy this inequality. So we have to solve the inequality. 4 by z is less than 8. The value of z cannot be 0 as it lies in the denominator, but it may be negative or positive. Z is less than 0 or either it is greater than 0. So we cannot multiply this inequality by z because if it is negative, it will reverse the inequality. So here we have to multiply it with z square. Because when we take square, both negative and positive values of z gives the same answer. Multiply the inequality by z square less than 8 times z square, and it gives 4 times z less than 8 times z square, which is 8 times z square minus 4z is greater than 0. This is a quadratic inequality and its associated equation is 8z square minus 4z is equal to 0, which can be simplified as 4z into 2z minus 1 is equal to 0. And it gives z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1 by 2. These are the two values of z which satisfy this quadratic equation. To get the values of z for this inequality, we draw the curve here. Quadratic inequality gives the curve like that, as 8, the coefficient of z here is positive, so the curve faces up. And it cuts this line at the points z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1 by 2. Now, to take the values of z, we have to take the part of the curve which lies above this line, because here we have the value greater than 0. So, take the part of the curve which lies above this line, and that is for these parts of the curve, the values of z are z less than 0 or z is greater than 1 by 2. This one or this one. So the range of the values for z in the inequality 4 by z less than 8 is z is less than 0 or z is greater than 1 by 2. And it can also be written in the set notation as z such that z is less than 0 union z such that z is greater than 1 by 2. So these are the values of z satisfying the given inequality in part 1. Now look at part number 2. Figure 1 shows a plot of the line with equation y is equal to x plus 5 and the curve with equation y is equal to x into x minus 3. On the opposite page, there is a copy of figure 1 labeled diagram 1. On diagram 1, represent the following inequality graphically. Y is greater than or equal to x plus 5 and less than or equal to x into x minus 3. For x greater than or equal to minus 2. Here is a graph of a straight line y is equal to x plus 5 and a curve y is equal to x minus 3. The condition given on x is x greater than or equal to minus 2. So we draw a line at minus 2 which represent x is equal to minus 2. This line. This is the line which represent x is equal to minus 2. As we have to take x greater than or equal to minus 2, so our solution will lie on right side of this line. Now according to inequality, y is greater than or equal to x plus 5. It means the solution lies on the region above the straight line. And the second inequality is y is less than or equal to x plus 3, which means we have to take the values of y which lies below the curve. Now look at the figure 1. We have to take the region which lies above the straight line and below the curve. So this is the required region. And similarly, above the line and below the curve, this one is also included. Now this shaded area in the figure represents the inequality graphically, which completes the solution.